Hi, I'm Benoit, co-founder at Keel, and this is a quick overview of the product. So we're going to be looking at a procurement system which has supplier, products, and the ability for users to create purchase order. So this is the Keel console, and in there you and your team have access to a set of tools that allows you to access your data and action it. And importantly, all of this is auto-generated at the back of your schema, which we're going to have a look at after. So no custom UI or drag and drop has happened for all of this to exist. So first you can list your suppliers, for example, and then for each supplier drill and see what products are associated to them, see what actions you can perform on them, and then a few more details as well. Now we're going to go through a flow of creating a purchase order. So say I want to buy a couple of these sailing boats engine to assemble a boat. I need two of them, and the price is 12,500 a pop. Cool. I'm just going to go ahead and create the purchase order. So this is successfully created. The status is new and it's not approved yet. So what this has done is also send me a Slack message to notify me that the new PO was awaiting approval. So I can come here and approve the purchase order. And this is subject to permission, but because I'm an admin and it's how it's set, this is now approved and I'm the approver. What it has done as well is create a purchase order in QuickBooks, which is we can see with the idea here, which here is the system of accounting used for future reconciliation and payment. So Keel makes it super easy to not only access your data and action it very quickly and straight out of the box, but it also allows you to easily integrate with the tools you're using, such as accounting system or messaging that you might want to keep using. And because Keel makes it super easy to build this integration through code, you're never subject to the limitation of no code integration, and that's super powerful. Now, not only you can integrate with the tools of your choice, but you can also easily give access to the data to your product. So Keel is API first and is designed to power your products. Say you want to show the product to a smartphone app that you've created, you've got access here to all the documentation to do so super easily. Okay, so it's super easy to get started, but now let's have a look under the hood as to how all of this works. So this is the Keel schema. This is where you define all of your model. If we look at our purchase order, for example, this is the data, these are the actions we can perform, and this is where you can see that approving a purchase order was limited to an admin permission, as I mentioned. And this is where you define permissions as well. So everything you've seen was generated at the back of that logic. You can also add functions to extend, which you can see here with the Slack integration. So very simple to write in here and then to call straight from the schema. So because this is all code, and Keel is code first, that means that this is all version control and super scalable, which is incredibly powerful. But that also means that you can extend pretty much to infinity, no matter what ops fires get thrown at you. So let's see now if for these boat engines that we are ordering, we want to be able to monitor the inventory level once we get them. So we're going to go and add an inventory level model, which has fields such as available, committed, and damaged for each product. And we now want to add some actions to it. So I want to be able to create inventory, update, get, list, and delete. And then for the permission, we're going to allow staff member to perform this action on this, so slightly restricted. So this is that simple to add things in there. And then if we go to product, we also need to add inventory level here as optional. So if I hit save now, I'm going to go back in here in our schema, and we can see the schema has been updated. So if I refresh, I can see we now have a table inventory level linked to product that allows us to do things in there. So if I go and create an inventory level, we can see the tools are ready straight away, allow us to interact with the data. And I want 2 available, 0 committed, and 0 damaged. Create. And now I can easily list inventory levels and monitor things like that. So straight out of the box, just from writing a bit more schema, all the tools are here in sync and ready to use. Great, so this is just a super quick overview of all the power Keel has to offer. I hope it was fun. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.